The role of a facilitator in a yarning circle is explored deeply in the advanced yarning course. But all yarning requires open dialogue, whether in a group or one-on-one. The facilitator must be an active participant because to receive information, each person needs to share information as an equal participant and partner in the yarning process. In short, you will be expected to share your stories or experiences just as other participants are doing. Active listening is imperative, and the facilitator must follow these guiding principles. Give the participant who is speaking in the circle your undivided attention. Maintain the fundamental principle that all speakers are treated with respect by one person speaking at a time. Refrain from advising. Use non-verbal cues, which may include nodding your head and keeping an open body language. You can use brief affirmations or agreements, such as I see, I know, sure, but only if you have a similar story or experience. It's okay to ask questions of a participant to clarify a point they are making.